Alright, this video is going to be how to install the 3070 Founders Edition in the FormdT1. First, you're going to start by removing these two thumb screws. They're going to be on the top left and right back corner of the case. Alright, once you remove those two thumb screws, you're going to take this top plate off. You're going to lift up from the back and then slide it this way. So lift up from the back and slide it towards the back. The plate's just going to come off like that. These two panels are going to flop to the side. You're just going to lift up on these panels. Remove the panels, 1 and 2. Alright, next thing you're going to do is flip the PC upside down. So you're going to pick it up like this, flip it like that. Okay. Then I'm going to include these two pieces in a little plastic bag. You're going to have a little standoff and a little small screw. To install these, you're going to need a small Phillips head screwdriver. Alright. So then you're going to take your 3070 Founders Edition. It's going to be in the box like this. Lift it out, lift it from the bottom, slide it out. Make sure you don't damage this PCIe slot. Alright, and then it's going to have this bracket already installed right here. You're going to take this standoff and you're going to screw it in this bracket like so. You just screw it in with your hand until it stops. Boom. Alright, then you're going to take your 12-pin connector. You're going to install it in the card right here. It's going to have a little tab. It's hard to see. Make sure the tab is facing this way. Push it in, you're going to hear it click. Make sure it's fully seated. Alright. And next, so this slot right here is going to go in right here. Make sure this tab is down all the way. So here's it up. Make sure it's down. And then we want to, so this bracket on the back, we want to get that in to clear here first. So first, I'm going to slide it in, get that bracket here. Then we're going to line it up in the slot and press it down. Alright. So the card's going to go in like this. Be careful not to damage this PCIe slot down here. So the first thing we want to do is get this bracket to clear inside here. Alright, the bracket's in there. We want to line this up inside here. And once it's in, we're going to press it down. Okay, so once it's in the slot, we're going to press it down and you're going to hear a click. When you hear that click, you know it's fully seated in there. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is take this small screw right here, and that is going to go in right here. A small screw is going to go in this hole right here into this standoff. It's not going to line up perfectly, so you're going to have to move this around to get it to line up. So I suggest laying the PC on its side like this. You're going to take your small Phillips head screwdriver. You're gonna have to come in at an angle. Get it nice and snug. We're gonna lift the PC back up. All we gotta do is put our panels on. So there's no way this panel goes. It doesn't matter if it goes like this or like this. There's a little slot right here that actually goes into a groove down here. So you want to get those in. So those grooves should look like this. You're going to take the top. So the top is going to have these two little notches. They're going to go towards the front of the PC. And there's little grooves also here that line up with the sides. So squeeze the sides in. Make sure these little notches go inside the front part of the case. So these two little notches, they should go in like that. Press it down.